This is AIEEE 2000 AIEEE 2011 का है क्वेश्चन. ओके, सो ये प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चन है. सो नाउ वी विल डिस्कस मोर क्वेश्चंस. ओके, 2011 का है. ये बुक ले लो सर, आपको समझ में आएगा, सब है इसमें. यू विल गेट इट. 163 रुपीज़, ओनली 163. इफ़ यू वांट आई विल शेयर द लिंक. अभी नहीं होता. AIEEE नाउ इट इज़ नॉट रनिंग, नाउ ओनली JEE. उसके बेस में ही होता है सिलेक्शन भी, सब कुछ. AIEEE नाउ देयर इज़ नो एग्ज़ाम नाउ. This question asked in JEE 2019. Okay, the question is the domain of the definition of the function f of x is equal to 1 upon 4 minus x square plus log x cube minus x with base 10. We have to find the domain of this function. Okay, so domain, if you want to find, first of all we have to see two functions are there. So when you want to find two functions domain, then first you have to find the domain of this function separate. This f of x is a function. See, functions are like, we will take as f of x, g of x, h of x. You will find like these functions, pi of x, like this will be there. Okay, any psi of x, like this will be there. You will be finding like this also, psi of x. So like many will be there. So mostly we will take in generally f of x, g of x, h of x, three functions. So whenever you have two functions and you have addition or subtraction, whatever is there, you want to find the domain of this function. Okay, domain of this function. What you will do here, we find the domain of this function separate, domain of this function separate, then we do intersection. That will be the final answer. Okay, understood? Right. So this question is f of x is equal to 1 upon 4 minus x square plus log of x cube minus x upon base 10. So this is separate function, this is separate function. We have to find the domain of this function. So let us take the first function. Let us consider this one, 1 upon 4 minus x square. What will be the domain of this function? Domain means what value of x can give, means input. What input I can give, so I will get the result. Input. What can I give input? So here this is the denominator. This function, let us consider this is f of x. Domain of this function will be what? Denominator should not be 0, right? Denominator should not be 0. If it is should not be 0, I can write as 4 minus x square is not equal to 0. Minus x square is not equal to minus 4. X square is not equal to 4. X is not equal to plus or minus 2. So what is the domain of this function? Domain of this function will be r minus plus or minus 2. R minus plus or minus 2. This is the domain of the first function. चलो second function का करते हैं. Let us consider this function is g of x. G of x is equal to log x cube minus x with base 10. So log will be defined when log will be defined, this should be greater than 0. So x cube minus x should be greater than 0. This should be the condition. Base 10 is there, na? I given in the beginning logarithm topic, what is the condition for the log? What are the condition for log? It should be greater than 0 and base should not be 1, right? 1 or 0? ठीक है ना, कल पढ़ के आना. ठीक है, take it x common here. If I take common here, what I get here? X square minus 1 greater than 0. It means what I get here? X plus 1 into x minus 1 greater than 0. Right? This is wavy curve method, number system. You can take the number line here. You can take number line. You know the zeros of this one. 0 of this one is 0. 0 of this one is minus 1. 0 of this one is plus 1. Right? We can take plus, minus, wavy curve method. Right? It is indicating what here? Greater than. Greater than means what is the answer? Plus is the answer. This is infinity and this is minus infinity. So domain of the second function will be what? Domain of g will be what? Domain of g will be -1 to 0 union 1 to infinity. तो ये बोल रहा है ऐसा gx. fx क्या बोल रहा है? r not plus r minus 2. So what can be the final answer? Final answer will be what? I'll write the options, you tell me the answers. Okay, that's better. You can analyze this. Okay, fine. C is the right answer. सोचो एक बार, ये ना -1 to 0, ये क्या बोल रहा है देखो, -1 to 0 और इसके बाद क्या बोल रहा है 1 to infinity. So -1 to 0 is here also you have. Okay, तो ये दोनों तो गए ऊपर गए ना, ये नहीं, ये कौन D, ये दोनों तो ऊपर गए हैं. चलो तो -1 to 0 -1 to 0. ओके फाइन. यूनियन 1 to infinity पर 2 नहीं होना चाहिए, 2 अंदर है तो मैंने ओपन कर दिया ब्रैकेट तो नहीं है. 2 में ओपन किया ना मैंने ब्रैकेट, इधर मैं इधर ओपन कर दिया ना तो 2 नहीं है. अच्छा इधर भी ओपन है, इधर भी 2 नहीं है. चलो ठीक है, मगर 2 ओपन किया, मैं स्टार्ट किधर किया? 3 से किया, तो 2 तो 3 किधर गया फिर? सी हियर ओनली 2 शुड नॉट बी देयर ना इन दिस, बट 2 to 3 बिटवीन ऑल्सो गॉन हियर, तो ये तो नहीं हो सकता बिल्कुल. चलो इसमें क्या है, -1 to 0 हो गया और 1 से 2 तक आया, 2 को ओपन कर दिया, मीन्स एक सिर्फ 2 को बोल रहे हटा दो, हटा दिया. और उसके बाद क्या बोल रहे, 2 से इन्फिनिटी बोल रहा हूं, तो यही सही है ना. Domain of, find the domain of this. Next week onwards you remember me, huh? All subject you want? Okay, fine, we will make it. Actually what happened nowadays, class 12th we are taking n number of test more, so we are preparing for 12th all solutions and we are sending. But 11th what we thought, you have doubt, you will ask, so we will explain. I am thinking like that. Nobody asking doubt means we felt that you all know that. But if you want solution, we will make it. Find this answer. What is the condition should be here? Discuss. What should be there here? First condition will be what? X is one condition is log. Log condition. What is log condition here? X plus 3 must be greater than 0. Another condition ये है ना, see this is the function f of x by g of x, right? F of x into g of x, f of x plus g of x, and another one is f of x minus g of x. So these are the condition will be there. Domain finding these, all will be same rule. Now x plus 3 greater than 0 condition. So here will be what here? X greater than -3. It means the domain will be what? -3 to infinity. This is the domain of the first function. Second function what should be?
X square plus 3x plus 2 is not equal to 0.
Yeah, correct. Denominator x square plus 3x plus 2 should not be 0. So इसका factor निकालो. Right. X is equal to what? -2 -1. So all real except -1 -2. Right. ये दोनों को क्या करना है अभी? इंटरसेक्शन है ना. ऑप्शंस देता हूँ, आप बोलो, है ना. यू टेल मी. ऑप्शन ए r minus -1 comma -2. ऑप्शन बी -2 to infinity. ऑप्शन सी r minus -1 -2 -3. ऑप्शन डी -3 to infinity -1 comma -2. Which is the right option? डी है ना. देखो है ना, ऐसे देखते ही पता चलता है. See, this is the question they asked. F of x is equal to 1 upon log 1 minus x with base 10 plus square root of x plus 2. ईजी है ना, बहुत ईजी है. क्या करना है फर्स्ट, इसको देखना है. 1 अपॉन में है, देखो ये देखो, ये भी इंपॉर्टेंट है. सो 1 माइनस एक्स शुड बी ग्रेटर देन 0, वही लेना है. ठीक है, वो तो 0 नहीं एक्सेप्ट नहीं करता है ना. तो x क्या होगा, माइनस एक्स ग्रेटर देन माइनस 1, तो x लेस देन 1 है ना. ये पिक्चर क्या हो रहा है, x लेस देन 1 हो रहा है. और ये पिक्चर क्या है, स्क्वायर रूट. स्क्वायर रूट शुड बी ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 0, राइट. तो ये क्या होगा, x प्लस 2 ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू 0. तो x ग्रेटर देन आर इक्वल टू -2. तो ये क्या होगा, -2 टू इन्फिनिटी. चलो अभी ये तो -2 टू इन्फिनिटी है, ये x लेस देन 1 है, 1 से छोटा होना चाहिए, और 2 टू इन्फिनिटी है. इस दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन. सी ऑल दिस वी हैव टू डू इंटरसेक्शन. व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, इंटरसेक्शन. इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा, मैं पढ़ाता हूँ. देखो ये नंबर लाइन है, राइट. -2 1 इन्फिनिटी माइनस इन्फिनिटी. ये बोल रहा है x लेस देन 1, तो फॉलो करो, बिकॉज 1 नहीं है और लेस देन 1 बोले तो ऐसा जा रहा है, ये प्लेस है. ठीक है, और ये -2 से बोल रहा है, और -2 में ये इंक्लूडेड है. सॉरी, -2 में इंक्लूडेड है, और ये जा रहा है इन्फिनिटी जा रहा है. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों का इंटरसेक्शन क्या होगा, -2 इंक्लूडेड 1 एक्सक्लूडेड. आंसर विल बी व्हाट. हाँ, अभी ये ना और एक बात बोला, सुनो सुनो, यही बात इंपॉर्टेंट है. अब इसमें 0 ले लिया, इधर 0 नहीं लेना है, यही इंपॉर्टेंट है. सुनो, आपने इधर 0 लिया, तो 1 माइनस 0 क्या होगा, 1. log 1 इज व्हाट, 0. तो 0 एक्सक्लूडिंग होना चाहिए. तो ऑप्शन सी सही है. आया समझ में, अंडरस्टूड और नॉट. See here. First question you will do it. हाँ, श्योर है ना, आप कर लेंगे ना. इसका डोमेन सेपरेट, इसका डोमेन सेपरेट, देन इंटरसेक्शन. सो दिस इज होमवर्क. फाइन, राइट. सेकंड क्वेश्चन करते हैं. डोमेन ऑफ f of x is equal to √2 cos x √3. This we will do. So square root of 2 cos x minus √3, square root value always greater than or equal to 0. Now when you have square root, we have to take greater than or equal to 0, right. Squaring on both sides. 2 cos x minus √3 greater than or equal to 0. Cos x is greater than or equal to √3 by 2, है ना. Cos x is greater than or equal to √3. Now we have to find the solution for cos x greater than or equal to √3 by 2. There will be a chapter, trigonometry equations. I'll explain. That time you'll understand all things. Now I'll explain time being how to analyze this. Okay. You know the cos x graph. Cos 0 is how much? 1, na? Huh? So you get like this. Like this it goes. Right? See here. Cos √3 by 2 से ऊपर. When you get cos √3 by 2, cos √3 by 2 when you get, pi by 6. Cos pi by 6 is how much? Cos pi by 6 is how much? Cos of minus theta is what? Cos of minus theta. Cos theta. Cos of minus theta. Cos theta. Cos pi by 6 और cos minus pi by 6. आंसर क्या होगा? √3 by 2. समझो ये √3 by 2 है, ये 1 इधर ऊपर है, ये √3 by 2 है. और इसको सेटिस्फाई करने वाला ए √3/2 है. ओके √3/2 राइट. सो ये ऊपर है ना, ग्रेटर देन √3/2 होगा. दिस नीचे लेस देन √3/2. y इज इक्वल टू √3/2 दिस पॉइंट. ये ऊपर पूछ रहे, ये ऊपर. व्हाट इज द आंसर फॉर दिस इज आस्किंग. समझ में आया? ये है ना, आपको समझ में आया? व्हेन इट इज हैपेंस √3/2 ग्रेटर देन cos in between of pi/6 and minus pi/6. Later it is coming down. Later it is coming down. You know this point, right? And you know this point, right? You know or you don't know? Cos 0 कब होता है? pi/2. नहीं, ये pi/2 है, ये minus pi/2 है. So however, pi/6 minus pi/6, so this will be the answer here. But this will be happen every time. This also, this also. So the solution will be written as, the solution for this will be written as x belongs to 2n pi. है ना, हर एक 2n pi के लिए ये रिपीट होगा. It's because the gap of cos is 2 pi. Okay, period is 2 pi. Means every period it is repeats. So 2n pi minus pi/6 comma 2n pi plus pi/6 will be the answer. This concept you will learn in trigonometry equations. After this chapter I will start. Okay. So what I want to tell you is trigonometry phase 1 you have learned, right? Trigonometric equation after this chapter I will explain. And solution of triangle already I explained in playlist is available, you watch it. So trigonometry pura khatam. Algebra already done, completed. Like that. So both will be finished. Means trigonometry part is finished and this will be finished. Both will complete. Right. So watch solution of triangles also if possible. Okay. And this answer you understood? Okay. If not understand, don't worry. Trigonometric equation from basic onwards I will explain.